So when I purchased my Dell Optiplex 7070 small form factor, it came with 32 gigabytes of RAM, which I thought was going to be just great, but it wasn't quite enough for me and my video editing that I do. So I went ahead and after careful consideration, I ordered the Timetec, a set of two 16 gigabyte RAM. And this is the Timetec 32 gigabyte kit DDR4 24 megahertz PC4. And as you can see, I have my computer screen there showing that I had 32 gigabytes of RAM. And we're going to go ahead and install this new RAM into my system here. And it's fairly easy. If you have any experience with putting RAM into the computer, you should be able to do this yourself. So that's what I did. I went ahead and installed it here in my computer, and I'm just showing you there's the two empty slots that I'm adding here, the new RAM to. Now, you should go ahead and check the specs on your computer and make sure that you order the correct RAM for your computer and make sure that you have the capacity to add more to your system. So anyway, I'm really happy with this set. It has really, obviously, it's doubled the RAM in my system, and I am now able to do my video editing much more efficiently without any lagging. So I really like that. I think I made a great choice, and if you're thinking about getting the Timetec RAM, I think this is a good option for you. So I really like it. It's worked out well for me, and I think it will work for you as well.